How to use Avvo Business Legal properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Many entrepreneurs assume posting a question on Avvo will instantly solve legal problems, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that limit results or create confusion. The first mistake is providing vague information. Avvo's and attorney responses rely on clear context. Missing details about your business structure, contracts, or disputes can lead to incomplete advice. Provide specifics without oversharing sensitive data. Another common error is assuming all answers are definitive. Responses are guidance, not legal rulings. Beginners who act without verification risk compliance violations or legal exposure. Cross-check advice with professional counsel. Many users neglect the attorney's specialization. Avvo covers a wide range of business law areas. Selecting someone outside your need, like intellectual property for a tax question, leads to poor guidance. Filter by relevant expertise. Failing to engage with follow-up questions is another pitfall. Beginners often post a question and ignore responses or clarifications, reducing accuracy and usefulness. Engage actively to get the best guidance. Finally, some assume Avvo replaces full legal representation. Complex contracts, mergers, or disputes may still require professional review. Use CA as a supplement, not a replacement. To use Avvo Business Legal properly, provide clear context, verify advice, select specialized attorneys, follow up on questions, and consult professionals when needed. Avoid these mistakes and you'll get precise guidance while protecting your business legally.